Skills that grandma didn't know. Dip the roots of roses in honey. Stick into a fresh potato, then bury in the soil. Cut off the flowers and branches. The roses take root and sprout. More roses will bloom again in a few weeks. Cut the ginger into cubes. Soak in cold water for a day, then bury it in the soil. You'll have plenty of ginger. Wrap the orange seeds in paper towels, wet with water. Germinate and transplant into the orange peel. Place in a pot. Spray with water. Orange trees will grow in 6 months. Insert a stick in the pot. Wrap it in fiber. Secure the green pineapple to the bottom. It will then grow down the stick into a green pineapple tree. Trim the top off the radish. Cut a chrysanthemum and insert it inside the radish, and you'll get a yellow radish. Drill a hole in the tree. Put a vine branch through the hole. Seal it with a mason jar. You'll have grapes in 6 months. Keep the roots of the radish. Put it on a plate. Pour in water. Sprout and transplant into the soil and continue growing. This makes a very tasty radish. Cut the roots off the radish. Bury them in the snow. Fresh radishes will grow in a month.